Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make quick and powerful photo edits using the Magic Editor on your Google Pixel phone. Now Magic Editor uses AI to help you quickly change, fix, or enhance photos using a few taps on your device. So here's how to use it. First open the Photos app. I'm just going to click on the Photos app and I have this image. Now to edit the image, click on Edit. Now at the lower left, it says Magic Editor. So click on the lower left icon. Now, if you want to use the Magic Editor, you have to back up your photo. So click on Backup. Just give it a moment. And then we're just going to click Disregard. I haven't made any changes. And then click Try Now. Now, what I want to do is hide this lawnmower from the image. So I'm going to select it. So I'm just going to brush on the lawnmower. And then now it's selected. Just make sure to properly select all the parts of the image that you want to hide. And then there's the erase button. I'm just gonna click on it. And now it just erases the entire lawnmower. It's really incredible what this tool can do. And I'll show you another example. So go back. Now you can also tap and hold on the image and then move the object where you want it. So I'm gonna move it slightly to the left. And then if you want to resize it, you can just pinch to resize the object. I'm just gonna keep it the same size. And then click on this right arrow and then give it a minute. Now you can see the modified image. I just moved the lawnmower to the left. Now sometimes there can be imperfections in the image, but that's fine. It's still in the early stages, so they'll probably improve it. Now there's also this tool at the top right. This will basically show you the before and after. So if you just hold on it, it's gonna show you like this is before, this is the after. And then you could also go back. Let's say I want to erase this chair. I'll just click on it. Then make sure it's properly selected. Then click on erase. Now this will completely erase the object that I selected. If you click on the before and after at the top right, it'll show you like the before and after. And that's it. That's how to use the Magic Editor for easy and powerful photo edits on your Google Pixel phone. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.